got 4 pins. Spindle has 8 on this tracker. And I think I got it at an O'Reilly's. I'm pretty sure it was O'Reilly's. The part number on here is W as in whiskey 83010. And this is the one socket that actually aligns with the pins on the spindle nut. As you can see, there's 8 on the spindle nut, 4 on this socket, but it seats. See, it's not exactly the right one, but it does do the job. In order to stabilize the socket, I use this wheel puller. Harbor Freight, I forget exactly, $20, $22, something like that. All the outer, the wheel bearing, the 2 washers, the lock nut, and this is the inner bearing, snap ring, and the seal. It's nice and clean, ready to grease. I got this high temp grease. It's specifically made for wheel bearings.